So we sell to local manufacturers. It's a little sour.
เรียบร้อยไปแล้ว
Yeah.
It's this
Yeah. Yes. And it's covered. It's covered by a cocoon. So you open it and you can eat it fresh. Similar to the gooseberry, but it's not. It's a different variety and it's more sour. Yeah.
สาวจริงนะจริงนะ And you make it a bit
Very sweet. You want to?
okayมีตามี
Thank you very much.